In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can view hidden files and folders here on your PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first, let's go ahead and hide this logo right here as an example. I'm going to put it right in the middle of the screen, and to actually hide stuff in the first place, go ahead and right click on any file or folder and then find properties within this option. If you don't see properties in here, you can also hit show more options and it'll pop up at the page. It looks like this. Choose properties, and from here, go ahead and select this little hidden box and then hit apply and OK. And as you can see, it's going to hide that file completely, and if I'm like right clicking trying to select it, it's not going to actually appear. To make it visible again, go ahead and open up your file explorer, and on Windows 11 you're going to want to select view up in the very top just like so, and then hover over show right here and find hidden items. On Windows 10 though, go ahead and select the view tab, and then there's actually a box that you can uncheck or check for hidden items. Go ahead and select it and it's going to show you all of your hidden items. All you would need to go ahead and do is just find it and then right click on it, go back into your properties and then unhide it just like so, and you'll be back to normal. But yeah, overall it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.